If you are wanting to find out more about secret affiliate marketing hacks, then this video is for you. Hello, I'm Sophie, Millionaire Mum, and I bring you the tools, the courses, and the mindset that you need to make a success online. You are probably watching this video because you're wondering about Zach Crawford's course, Secret Affiliate Marketing Hacks. Now, this video is the first in a little series of videos that I am shooting around the course. I'm making a series of videos explaining exactly what the course is about and what people can expect to get from it. In this video, I'm going to give you a short overview. I am going to answer a few questions. First, what is it? What do you get when you buy the course? Who is it for? Who is it not for? What can you do with it? And I'll save the best for last. Will it help you make money? So make sure you watch the video until the end so you get all this information. Now, this video will be quite short. It's an overview. And in other videos, I will dive deeper into each of the topics. Before I go into the video, I would like to encourage you, obviously, to subscribe to my channel if you want to know everything there is to know about making money online. If you enjoy the video, please give it a like and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single video every time I publish. Okay, let's go into it. So question number one, what is secret affiliate marketing hacks? The answer to this is really simple. Secret Affiliate Marketing Hacks is a complete course and it will teach you the exact steps that you have to follow to build a profitable business online. And when I say profitable, I really mean a profitable business, a real business that is going to give you real money. Zach is extremely committed to his students and his aim is to help people build real, consistent income from an online business in affiliate marketing. So that is what this course teaches you. So question number two, what do you get when you buy Secret Affiliate Marketing Hacks, right? I can already hear you think, well, she's just answered this question. It's a complete course in learning how to do affiliate marketing, right? But really, you get more than that, okay? So you get full training. As I just said, you get training in how to build this business. The training is really incredibly deep. It teaches you about how to get into the right mindset for success. It teaches you about how to pick a niche, about how to pick products to promote, about how to promote them. It teaches you a lot about free traffic, YouTube and Facebook traffic in particular. It teaches you how to set up a funnel. It teaches you how to follow up with people, how to build an audience, okay? How to build an audience of people who are going to relate to you and who are then going to want to be helped by you and want to buy from you. So that's the first thing you get. But you also get all the tools that you need to promote the course in itself. So when you buy Secret Affiliate Marketing Hacks, you can become automatically an affiliate for it. So you are allowed to sell it. Now, I must insist on a very important point, and that is that Zach teaches how to promote any product in any niche, okay? Not just his course. Zach says his aim is to get us to be independent, to be able to sell anything, to be able to build an affiliate marketing business in any niche. This course will teach you how to do affiliate marketing the proper way, whether you are promoting dog training products or courses about manifestation or make money online courses or weight loss products. It will teach you to promote anything in affiliate marketing, to build a business in any niche in affiliate marketing. But the fact is, you also get with the course the possibility to sell this course to other people. So let's just say you build a business in affiliate marketing in the health and fitness niche, and you do well, and then you talk to somebody and you say, and they tell you, wow, your business is doing really well. How did you learn how to do that? You might want to say to them, well, actually, I bought this online course which taught me how to do that. And then you can say, well, look, I can give you a reference. You can look into it, and then you can give them their link. And if they buy it, you will make a commission. So I'm saying you will get all the tools you need to be able to promote this product, whether or not you want to actively promote it because you're in the make money online niche, or whether you're in a different niche, but you just want to recommend it to people when they ask you about it. And you really get everything you need. And by that, I mean everything. Okay, you get a done for you funnel, which is set up for you. You get an email follow-up sequence. You get examples of more emails that you can use, example of Facebook posts that you can use. I mean, really, it is very complete. Okay, it's not just an affiliate link that you can get and distribute around. It really is a complete package that allows you to promote this course the right way, if that's what you want to do. You also get a lot of free resources. You get email swipes that you can use. You can just change them a little bit, put your own voice in them, but you are free to use them. And you get a ton of Facebook posts as well that you can use. Also, just change them, make them a bit your own, but you are free to use those. And on top of that, last but not least, you get access to a private Facebook group with a lot of support, not only from the community of people who have bought the course, but most importantly, from 𝐤𝐧𝐭 himself. 𝐤𝐧𝐭 is very, very hands-on. He's very, very committed to his students, and he really wants people to succeed. So he will personally answer questions. You can share... You can ask any questions and he will personally answer, give valuable feedback. He's incredibly present, incredibly committed, and that is amazing. He also helps us to take action by holding us accountable. It is really, really incredibly valuable. So that is basically, in a nutshell, everything you get. Now, question number 3, who is this course for and who is it not for? Maybe I'll start with who is it not for, because that way, if that's you, you can stop watching the video. I would definitely say that this is not for someone who wants a really fast, easy, get rich quick thing, okay? Anyway, there is no easy, get rich quick course or method or magic formula, right? There isn't. But the sad truth is many people are looking for that, and many people will be hooked by offers that seem very, very easy in the beginning. And it never is. It never really works, but some of them seem much, much easier in the beginning. Now, 𝐤𝐧𝐭 says it straight away, like it is even in his free lessons, okay? He's very open about this. So if you want something that promises you that it's going to be really easy and really quick, then again, stop watching this video because it's definitely not for you. I wouldn't want you to waste your time. I would also say this is not for someone who is not sure that they want to build a business in affiliate marketing. If you are in a situation where you want to make money online, but you're still wondering what is for you, do you want to do affiliate marketing? Or do you want to do e-commerce? Or do you want to do, I don't know, online tutoring or coaching or things like that? Then I would say that 𝐤𝐧𝐭's course is not the best for you. If you're enjoying this video, make sure you give it a like, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So now, going into who this course is for, I would say that it is definitely for people who already know that they want to build a business in affiliate marketing. If you're willing to put in the work, then this course is, in my opinion, the best out there. And, I've tried quite a few. So there you go. I talk and I don't promote them, right? Even though I'm an affiliate for them. So really, I'm saying this because from personal experience. If you are hesitating and wondering, is affiliate marketing a good model for me or not, click the official 𝐤𝐴𝐵.com link that is in the description below, because there you will get a series of free lessons from 𝐤𝐴𝐵 that tell you everything about affiliate marketing, and then you'll be able to see, is this a good model for me or not? The lessons are completely free, so you've got nothing to lose. So that's it. In a nutshell, it's not for those who want a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not for those who are not sure what on earth they want to do online. And it is for those who want to build a profitable business in affiliate marketing and who are willing to put in the work. That's it. Now, my point number 4, what can you do with it? Well, I've kind of answered this question already a little bit earlier, okay? You can basically learn how to build a proper affiliate marketing business. You can learn a ton about free traffic. 𝐤𝐴𝐵 is very big on free traffic methods. He's had a lot of success with that. His students have had a lot of success with that. And he really teaches it the right way. So you can really learn how to do free traffic the right way. You can build a successful business and you can promote the course as well if you choose to do so. That's basically what you can do with it. And last but not least, will it help you make money? That's the big question, isn't it? That's the question that everyone has. Now, of course, I'm going to be like everyone else. I'm going to tell you, I can't promise you that. I'm going to tell you, I don't really know how it will be for you, because we're all different, right? We've all got different lives. We've all got different work ethics. We've all got different commitments. We've all got a different level of skill, of knowledge, of capacity to learn. It's different for everyone. What I can tell you in all honesty is I joined Secret Affiliate Marketing Hacks at the very end of January 2020. I'm shooting this video now at the beginning of September 2020. In the last 6 months, I have made more money than I made in the first 2 years of working online. That's what I can tell you. I have been very, very transparent about my journey all along. You can check, I have on my Facebook business page, I have more than 500 Facebook lives that are recording my journey. I have some of them I have about 200 of them posted on this YouTube channel. I've always been very, very transparent about my journey, very honest, very open about my struggles, about my wins, about my difficult moments as well. So that's what I want to tell you. I want to tell you, I don't know how it will work for you, but I know that I am a nearly 50-year-old mum with very, very little time, huge commitments for my children, my husband, my dad. I honestly build this business in a few hours a day because I have huge commitments. And this course really helped me take the right strategic action so that I would start to get proper results. I will end this video here. As I said, I'm making a series of videos about this course, so hit the notification bell so that you get notification when they are uploaded. I will dive deeper into the course. I'll share my screen in other videos. I'll show you what you get in different modules and all that stuff. I first just wanted to publish one quick overview of the course. If you have any questions, please drop a comment below. I will be very, very happy to answer it. If you want to see what 𝐤𝐴𝐵's style is, if you want to hear his voice, hear him teach a little bit, just click the link official 𝐤𝐴𝐵.com, which is in the description of this video. And as I say, you will get a series of free lessons from him. They're super valuable anyway. And that will help you see if you resonate with him or not. It's incredibly important to pick a course that you feel will be right for you, okay? Because to have success with a course, you need to stick with it in the long run. So it's got to feel right, okay? I hope this video helped. If it did, please like it, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.